Rotation. It drives progress, creating something new. From the wheels and spindles to the gears of the Industrial Revolution, rotation has powered every major advancement. Today, the machine tool, the heart of manufacturing, keeps the world moving forward. Hwacheon, South Korea's first machine tool maker, embodies the spirit of innovation with precise craftsmanship and cutting-edge technology. We are transforming industries and everyday life. From raw materials to advanced machine tools, Hwacheon leads the way. Welcome to Hwacheon Group, where rotation drives the future. Founded in 1945, Hwacheon has grown alongside South Korea's remarkable economic rise. In 1959, we created Korea's first belt-driven lathe, marking a significant milestone in our journey. Since then, we've become a leader in the machine tool industry, driving progress and shaping the future. For over 80 years, we've stayed committed to quality first. Hwacheon continues to support industrial growth with reliable, top-quality products and services that our customers can trust. The Hwacheon Group is a powerful network of specialized companies. Hwacheon Machine Tool and Hwacheon Machinery lead in machine tool production. SAW Machinery Industry, specialized in core machine tool components, while TPS Korea focuses on automation for automotive parts. With 9 manufacturing plants and 5 technology centers, we serve customers worldwide through over 100 branches and sales offices. Wherever you are, Hwacheon is there to support your needs. Hwacheon is Korea's only machine tool manufacturer that controls every step of production, from raw materials to finished products. Our materials business supports industries that demand strength and precision, such as machine tools, robotics, and railway vehicles. We also produce advanced precision parts like hydraulic chucks, cylinders, gears, and spindles, the core of every machine tool. Hwacheon provides custom solutions for a wide range of industries, from general-purpose machining centers to specialized equipment tailored to specific needs. TPS Korea, first in Korea to introduce the Agile system, ensures efficient production and top-notch quality control. We are a trusted partner for global car manufacturers, producing high-precision engines and critical components. At Hwacheon, innovation is at the heart of everything we do. We lead in software development and research for future technologies. Our Harmony software improves machining with AI-powered technology and an easy-to-use interface, making complex processes simple for our customers. With over 80 years of experience, we offer cutting-edge solutions like precision machining, metal 3D printing, and automated systems. We are also focused on sustainability, developing eco-friendly technologies that use less energy and reduce environmental impact. At Hwacheon, we are dedicated to giving back to the community. The SAWM Cultural Foundation, established by our founder, actively contributes to the preservation and promotion of Korea's traditional culture and arts. We provide scholarships and support a wide range of performances, exhibitions, and research projects. We also contribute to the National Skills Competition by providing machine tools and support services, helping young technicians succeed on the global stage. Hwacheon is committed to preserving tradition, encouraging innovation, and driving industrial development, building a brighter future for everyone. The machine tool, at the heart of manufacturing. For over 80 years, Hwacheon has led the machine tool industry, improving lives around the world. Looking ahead, we will continue to be the best partner for innovation and a global leader in machine tools to forge a new century ahead. Hwacheon, driving the future, one rotation at a time.